issues. I didn't realize I was offline. Oops, I think we're back. Yep. Oops. Yeah, next time I'm gonna take it easy with the stuff. Okay, I think we're live now. Everything's good. Okay. I think everything's working.
Plus.
Yes, we got it.
Plus.
Okay. That's too big. Is it gonna look nice if I put this texture here? Not really, but we got some stuff. Video memory has been exhausted. That's why I think it freaked out. Yeah, I gave too much texture streaming pool for the textures not to go pixelated, and definitely having 99 skeletons does not help. Gotta make them nanite to see if it helps or not. Okay, cool, we got something going on. This one does not belong to this family of assets, but let's see if we can find it someplace. And you know what? I'm gonna get rid of this texture because I don't like it. Let's go to landscape. Yeah, this is what I do when I come back from work to relax. It's crazy. Some stuff is very relaxing, but sometimes when I'm trying technical things, sometimes it requires a lot of patience, but these things, it's very relaxing. Painting the landscape, just placing assets like a Lego, that's fun. Yep, wanna make all this area to be a desert. We have an underground dungeon. I really like this transition from orange to green. Let's see how it goes. For some reason this texture tiles very badly, but the other one tiles, I mean, doesn't look like it's tiling. It's just a very nice, it does tile. Hello SVS. And that's what I'm painting this to be, more sandy. I want to make a big desert, and then I want to get the carnival area working. I really like this place. It's probably my favorite place. What's up? from the Project Titan assets. Really like that. Oh, we have more rocks in there. I totally forgot about these rocks. That's very nice.
That's SFS, not to get you confused.
SFS. You're right. I I don't I didn't read it properly. So yeah, let's see if I can get that carnival area going, and then I want to add foliage, a lot of foliage, little cactuses and stuff like that. I want to see how much can I
That's okay.
Can I take. Good. Also, I got a lot of stuff here that I'm not sure about. This thing right here, which I think I'm gonna get rid of this little thing. Yeah, let's go to level edit, and I'm going to select this and this.
Most producers at SFSF.
Yes. FSF. Tongue twister. Let's see when I get this going. Okay, we got some stuff hidden in there. Ah, I see. Oh, these are very cool assets, but don't need them for now. Okay, nice. Got that going. Then, yep, let's go to the carnival area. Super sweet.
I sub.
I appreciate it. I'm gonna work on this carnival area. This is one of my favorite areas. Actually, before doing that, yeah, we should probably move these rocks around so we can close the desert around here. And we have some very cool water that I will really like to use somewhere. I'm gonna probably place it here. Let me see. Something around here.
I can't stop watching.
I appreciate it. Yeah, this is a very this is a very kind of crazy experiment I'm making. Just trying to make a very big map and see where can I take this. Oof, that's a lot of stuff. Maybe, oops, maybe no, maybe, yeah, let's push this around here for now. It's gonna take some effort.
I'm only watching.
Appreciate it.
Never mind.
Let's see. Okay, the thing here is that I would like to get this landscape a little bit higher so we can actually walk into the carnival area. I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller and push it up with the sculpting tools just a little bit. Is the brush? Yeah, the brush is too strong. Okay, is too big. Let's see. Okay, I need to smooth it out. Okay, now we have some kind of entrance. And actually, yeah, let's just push
One day I dream of streaming.
the terrain up. Yeah, streaming is very fun. You get to talk to people from a lot of places, and it's very nice. You get to meet people as well, who do stuff like this, like Unreal Engine and things like that, and it's kind of very cool. Made some friends along the way. Plus, you get to record your process, and then the videos stay there in YouTube, so you can watch them later. It's kind of fun. Okay.
I have 32 subs.
Nice. Yeah, it's little by little people start noticing, and it's nice to get people interested. I'm gonna use a ramp to get from here to there. Oops, it is 1, 2,
18 away.
add ramp, and get it there. Okay. Now we're gonna get this smooth a little bit. Nice. Okay, still we have some gaps in here. Something like that. Oops. Gonna smooth this a little bit more.
One is coming out in 9 days and it's still not recorded.
Nice. Okay, cool. That's nice. What do we have here? Let's smooth it out a little. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, and here what do we have? A little bit like this. Just a little bit like that. Like here I do want a super small brush. Something like this. Smooth. Nice. And then I would like to boom 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 boom. Maybe here add a little bit more. Smooth a little bit here. And smooth a little bit there. Maybe a bigger brush.
In the game I sadly hit a rover on the moon. It's my first video and not short.
That's very cool. Let's make this a little bit smaller and push it around here. Yep, something like this. Okay, right there. I'm gonna push a little bit. Okay, nice. Okay, that's good enough for now. I'm able to go in there. It's nice. Okay, have this area. Then I really like those ones. Those are very cool. Yeah, let's bring some of those rocks around here. Actually, I'm gonna see if I can like place them somewhere. Let's go level, edit, and wanna grab this chunk and grab this chunk and this chunk, push them around. It's funny like looking at the whole thing in gray. Gonna push it right somewhere here. That'll be cool. So here's where the desert starts. Something like this. Oh, it shows me how it interacts with this thing through the... Oh, it's because I'm actually going through. Oh, that's kind of cool. Nice. I'm gonna get more of these rocks somewhere around here. That looks kind of crazy. Some of them around here. Like this. That'll be very nice. That's cool. I see, they're very twisted. That's why the UVs are looking weird. Something like this, that'll be very cool. Nice, something like this. Yeah, this has very weird UVs. Definitely need to change them. That'll be very cool. Something like this. That's very, very nice. Like this. Yeah, these ones don't really match. We are having some issues with the UVs. Can I actually edit that inside the instance, level instance? Yep. Oh, nice, beautiful, it works. It's not going to work if the rock is actually scaled in a not uniform way. Nice, nice. We got some better rocks. Okay. Still got more to fix. Wondering, like, maybe I can make a copy of this one, put it there, go to UVs, project UVs. Beautiful, that's it. That's the best material there is. Amazing. Okay, we got some broken stuff, but it works mostly fine. Not so fine in there, but let me try it again. Is it like 10 maybe? I had something very cool. Oh, it's minus. Ah, oh. I see. I see how it works now. Okay. Minus 5,000. That's what we get. Beautiful. It works. Nice. Now I'm understanding this much better. Sweet. Yep, still getting some cuts in there. But it looks very cool. Gonna get this one here. Bloop. Nice. Okay, I think I need something. Okay, I need to get probably most of these assets pushed somewhere. Let's actually use them here to close up a little bit this area. Then I would like to maybe get these ones. Yeah, we'll try to do something. What if I get all of this? Ah, I see. I see why it looks like this. There you go. Now that I understand that it's minus 5,000 on projection type box, now I can really fix the UVs of these rocks so they look sweet and we don't have any weird stuff going on. Let's see if we have some other ugly rocks around. Absolutely, the placement is not so cool, but we're gonna make it look nice. Something like this. Nice. Okay. Oh, I need this to be vertical, because if not, gonna look very weird. Right. Okay, do we have weird textures here? Yes, we do. Let's get them fixed by going to UVs, project UVs. Great. Oh, no. It's minus 4,000. Beautiful. Yes. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, we got some weird stuff there. Maybe we can recalculate it, remesh it. It might get better UVs. That's a good approach. This one. Probably that might work better. Just make a quick remesh. Might get those weird kind of lines in there for now. Yeah. Yep, definitely cannot stretch it too much. Because it's gonna look very weird if I do stretch it. Nice. Okay, we got it. Cool. It will be super cool to have some kind of like entrance through here. Oh, I see what I'm going to do. Oops, not landscape, but level. Edit. This sand falling VFX is so nice. Really like that stuff. nice. That looks kind of fun. I would like another piece like that. I love this rock texture, like damn, this is so nice, beautiful. Nice, nice. Okay. What is this? And doesn't look so nice. Nope. That's cool. I left this bunch of sand floating in there. Nice. Okay, it's starting to look like something interesting. Too pointy, definitely. Yeah, let me just finish this up right here, and I wanna run through the desert and see if it works. Level edit. Do, 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 do. I do want more rocks around this area. Something along those lines. I appreciate it. Yep, just gonna get more of these around there. Gonna copy a bunch of these rocks. I mean, just move them around. Maybe not those, because this is part of the little thing. Yeah, just those, like this. Trying to push them around here. Okay, maybe make it a little bit bigger. This is going to be some kind of like mine entrance or something. I appreciate it. Yeah, my YouTube is all about like live sessions. I do everything live. I kind of like just sit down and work a little bit, and you know, since I'm on the computer, I decided just to live stream. That way I can kind of go back and see what I did, and also check how long it took me, and it's kind of nice to keep as a diary kind of thing, like a video diary. It's kind of nice, and it's kind of cool also just to talk to people and stuff. It's been a fun experience. Oh. I wanna start doing the foliage stuff. Foliage is so super cool stuff. Yeah, right now I'm not really. It's kind of very relaxing when you don't really care about how things look. You just kind of like flow. It's a nice feeling to get in the flow. It really just very careless, and then you start adjusting and then you get a little bit slow and do the little details, and it's kind of fun. Yeah, a lot of people do time lapses. Yeah, that's I do time lapses as well sometimes. But it's cool. It's cool to find people who like the people who appreciate the process of things. It's kind of nice. Also, it's nice to show that sometimes things are not as fast as people think they are. Kind of like showing people, okay, let's get this one going. Okay, I like this kind of thing. The oasis, yay, let's get some water in the desert somewhere around here. Also, I wanted to say these assets are from Project Titan, a free sample. It's a free project from Epic Games where more than 4,000 people collaborated on this. So this is totally free. You can download it and create some very cool stuff. Amazing assets and work. I mean, super awesome assets that they provided. Okay, I kind of like this around here. Okay, that kind of feels kind of interesting. Okay, gonna push it down like this and like this. Kind of want to copy a bunch of things from the main from the SRPG template into this level, so I can start testing out some stuff. This is nice, just a little kind of yeah, definitely. Well, it's better now than ever, I will tell you for sure. Now you have the most amount of resources out there. You got a lot of very good stuff for free. If you're looking for like something more in depth, ArtStation Learning, it's a great portal for like very high quality tutorials. Very good stuff in there. If you wanna like really go deep and learn from industry professionals, you got some very good stuff in there for environment creation and whatever you want to learn. They probably have a good video about it. Also, YouTube has some very good stuff. My channel is more like kind of like me just working on stuff, but it's also nice for people to see things in real time. Half of the scene is white because we are inside a level instance. So it's a great question, because we are modifying a group of assets that belong to a level sequence, a level instance. So it does not allow me to touch anything outside that, which is very cool stuff. I will show you in a second how things actually look like. I'm just trying to get some of this going. I love this water shader, super awesome. Yeah, it's nice. Actually, I've learned from making this as well. Like some people come into the chat and they're like, "Hey, why don't you try this or do that?" I'm like, "Oh, that's a great idea." So it's very nice also to get advice from others while working. So that's very cool stuff. Let's see. I would like this rock to be. Yeah, let's just keep it like that. Okay, now I hit save, and you see everything becomes colorful. this is the desert for now, but we're gonna make it look super nice and green in some areas. This thing I think I'm gonna push out of the desert. I mean of the... It's maybe too big of a building. Very cool structure. And I would like oh, these trees just let me see, are these trees static meshes or what? Not really sure what these are. Let me check it out. Level edit. I appreciate it. All these assets are free. These are part of the Project Titan template that Unreal Engine gave away. This is the work of more than 4,000 artists who participated on this kind of super cool event. I'm not really... Oh, this is PCG. Okay. We got a little PCG graph here, so yeah, probably not gonna touch that right now. But yeah, that's super cool stuff. Definitely, I recommend downloading the project and looking at it. There's a lot of good stuff to learn from, just by, you know, modifying and checking the shaders, the materials, stuff like that. Let's see, brush size. Wanna paint a little bit the landscape, make a little edge like this, and then I would like to smooth it out a little, like this. Maybe a little bit more here, and then smooth it out. Nice. I will also like to add a little rock because we got some floating stuff in here. But yeah, I really like this texture. I got some issues with the UV mapping. Got some little cuts in there, but gonna fix that eventually. Just modifying a little bit the thing. Yeah, let's actually come here and right click level edit. Now we can enter this level instance and modify things inside. And this palm tree is just growing on a rock. Okay, cool. Nice. Yep, I kind of want to make the character run a little bit faster so I can check this out from the character perspective. And I also want to take the... That's very cool. Little entrance. We have some stuff in there, okay. I really like these houses. Very cool. This little sand kind of like falling around. I really like that stuff. This bridge, I'm gonna change the material for sure. We can maybe make it wider. That'll be cool. Oh, we got a lot of these shapes. Maybe we can change that. Yep. Those are super cool. Really like those. Okay, these poor houses don't have where to stand. Okay, let me fix that. We don't want floating stuff. Well, we can have floating stuff, but not too much. Let's see. Okay, now we have buried stuff, which is not bad for the desert. What are level instances for? Level instances are a great way, for example, to make groups of things that you want to duplicate in a very big level like this. Maybe this is not a great example. Let me load the whole thing. So, for example, you have like a very nice town that you want to duplicate in different areas. So it's a great way to just grab that thing and duplicate it. Also, it's a great way to keep things together. So you see, when I enter edit mode, I cannot touch anything else but that thing. Sorry. Nice. So when you have like a big level like this, and for example, you want to duplicate this kind of like dragon temple right here. This is a level instance. So you get this thing, and you see, you can move the whole thing together. And you can push it and duplicate it and put it wherever you want, as many times as you want. And it's not going to be so heavy for the computer to process this, because it's just an instance, which means a duplicate, which is referring to the same meshes. That way it's going to be easier for the computer to process. And it's just to keep things more organized and grouped and stuff like this. That's nice. I love this rocking here. Like, what is that? Okay, nice. It's looking pretty cool. Yay, we got some little water thing. These palm trees are cool, but I really like these other ones. Yeah, those ones are super nice. Alright, I think it's time to add some foliage just for fun. To set dress a little bit, decorate things a little bit, add more green. That will give a little bit of contrast to this thing. And yeah, let's see what we got. So before I do that, I do want to check something out. I would like to change some stuff. This is the army of skeletons. 99 skeletons. Not the greatest idea for performance, but I checked it out and kind of works. We can make it more performant. I'm not gonna have so many enemies at the same time. It's a good test. just to see how far I can push it while streaming, which is not also great because it takes a lot of resources. So yeah, I'm gonna step away from this area and change some settings. Yep, let's make the character run a little bit faster, which is pretty simple because I already messed with this thing before, so I know where the settings are. Character, is it here? Uh-huh. Oops, I just changed it a couple of seconds ago. It's probably here. Oh, right here. Okay. I'm gonna make this folder a different color just so I know it's here and it's here. So yeah, it's sometimes too much stuff. I need to have little colors in the folder so I can find things faster. So we have the character and I want to make it run at it's running at 1200 centimeters per second or something like that. So I'm gonna make it twice as fast just to see how that looks like. And just want to change something else which is gonna be a little bit fun. I want to go to the capsule component and I want to make this guy walk on walls. So let's look for the slope. Walkable slope override. Maybe I can change that on the base. Okay. Is it on movement component? Let me see. I'm gonna try to make it here. Walkable slope angle, let's go 90 degrees. Let's see if it works. So that means that the character, hey Poku, it means that the character should be able to walk on walls, which is kind of funny. And let's see. It takes a little bit longer because I loaded the whole map. It's registering actors. Yeah, probably gonna, making open worlds is nice, but I think I'm gonna break the map in biomes and then probably have them just have a loading screen whenever you change one biome to the other, because yeah, having the world partition thing, I still want to use world partition, but having the everything loaded, it's kind of tough to deal with. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna take a little bit, but we should be able to run faster and walk on walls. I'm making a kind of like very big map experiment using this project. Started as a open world RPG, So I created like a very big environment using Cinti low poly assets. But then the project got put on hold, so I decided to use this map and modify it with Project Titan assets to make some kind of experiment. Since I really like this map, I really wanna change it and make something cool from it. So I'm combining this with the ES RPG template, which is like a survival RPG template, which is very complete. It has a lot of different things you can do with it. It's a little complex to get your head around and modify, but I'm trying to see if I can learn it and make something cool. But mainly I'm just focusing on the art. Oh yeah, probably it's too much. Probably need to unload the other part of the map. Oops. Let's see if it runs. Also, because I'm streaming, it takes a lot of performance out of the computer. I need to set it up. Probably gonna do that on Friday, or yeah, definitely this weekend. I'm gonna try to set up better my streaming, so I can have another computer dedicated to OBS and the whole streaming thing, so it's gonna be nicer. All right. Come on, Rio. Yes, we got it. After like 5 minutes of loading. Oh, it really... Oh, it's preparing shaders? Oh, it's preparing a lot of shaders. What? It's going on. Hey, Fever, how are you? Oh yeah, I need to take down the... Oops. The fall damage. Oops. And for some reason it's preparing a lot of shaders, which I don't remember adding like anything special. Once it loads much faster. Okay, nice. Now I can actually run faster to a very nice like speed. I just need to take the fall damage off, because it's gonna be very annoying to just... the fall damage, it's a little bit too harsh. No, 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 no. Let me check if I can actually walk on vertical. Nope, that didn't apply. I need to change it so I can actually run 90 degrees on the wall. That'll be super fun. Let's see. That's called the slope angle. Walkable slope angle. Yep, for some reason it did not work. I need to change that on But we got the speed. I really like the running speed. It feels much nicer. It does feel super laggy because we are preparing textures. No. Let me fix that, because I won't be able to walk around. It really, like, you jump like down like 3 meters or something and it just cannot take it. He's like, nope, that's too high for me. Gonna make it a superhero or something. Gonna really... Yep. Make it... runway... resistant to fall damage. Yeah, let me put this back where it was and see. We need to find the slope. First of all, let's see if I can actually get the fall damage. Hey Ninja, how are you? Not too long. I'm doing just kind of like a quick stream today because I've been going to bed a little bit too late. But yeah, I will love to check. I need to send you some images of the of the menu. I mean, some images I got that might be helpful because I think it's around those areas that I need to modify. Check fall damage. So here in check fall damage, I'm just going to come here and disconnect, so nobody's gonna check anything related to fall damage, and that way I won't get fall damage on the character. I just wanna check the slope. I'm pretty sure it was on character movement. Okay, max step height, floor angle. Floor angle 90. Now it's gonna be like a spider. It should be able to just walk on walls, which is super fun. Okay, let's test it out. If I got that right. Ninja, I also tried to run this with 99 skeletons. It gets laggy, but it works. I want to test them on nanite with nanite skeleton. Yeah, I mean we should probably do that off screen because it's it goes deep. Like, dude, like this is set up in a very complex way. Like, you have so many things connected to the thing, but I have a lot of screenshots of the settings I think I need to change. I was testing it today, like for about 4 hours or something, and I couldn't get it. I got some stuff. For example, I got some stuff disconnected, and I was like, oh, okay, I'm getting closer to where it needs to go, but it's really complex. Nice, we have no fall damage. Now I can run fast, and then let me see if I can actually walk through. Yes, we can actually climb vertical walls now. Now I can just go like this. I need to make it jump faster though. I mean, it's kind of okay. We have no water for now, but we can definitely just set it up. And the stamina. Yeah, I need to get the stamina checker. I changed that somehow. I forgot how. But I just need to check it out. Oh yeah, let me show you. Let me show you the 100 skeletons. Yeah, I think that's the only thing I need, just to jump and shoot. And I think I have everything else working. I think that's... Oh, that's a very nice height map right there. A little bit kind of like... Oh no, now it's walking very slowly. But like, I'm loading the whole map. The first time it takes time. It takes some time. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like a couple of minutes. But after that, you can really just... Oh, sorry, it's walking too fast. The textures from Project Titan are so nice. The materials, the vegetation. Wow, it's I'm super impressed with this. Come on, real. No, it actually does does take time to load, but to respawn the character, it's very fast. Um, but I'm probably going to break the map into levels, for sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have it all together. Look at this. We have 100 skeletons. Actually, 99 skeletons. Imagine just riding the dragon, that dragon you had, and just breaking things. And actually, we have a building kind of breakage system, so we can actually make like some kind of like zombie survival tower defense kind of thing. I mean, everything is here. Everything is here. Super nice. Like, super impressed. Come on, walk in there, walk in there. This is not a perfect vertical slope, but let's see. Oh, don't get stuck. It works nice for the landscape thing. Also, I learned how to add rounds, so I made it 1000 bullets. The only thing I need is just to shoot on the air, and yeah, I think everything else just add mounts and add what else I need to but yeah, I think the more I learn, the more I how do you say it, get to know this template, I think I'm gonna be able to change some stuff. Definitely, yeah. There's some stuff I will need to ask for, because it's just how things are connected to each other. It's very it is just very different from what I'm used to. There are like data tables, and there are like interfaces, and there's like a lot of things like interconnected, so it's kind of confusing to know exactly where you need to go. But it's good that we can always ask the developers. This is my favorite area. Let's see if it loads. Sometimes it gets bugged and it doesn't want to load. And I think this is the case now. It just doesn't want to load. Come on. I think it doesn't want to load anymore. Yep. That's the thing. And you can actually ride this kind of roller coaster. You can like just jump in here and go around. It's it's super fun. I really like this carnival area. Super cool stuff. Oh, yeah, let me just, well, should probably take that message out of the screen. Yay! Yes, I would love to to be able to shoot while falling. So that's the thing, because I will. Oh, this desert is looking nicer. It's really changing how things look from the top. Yeah, I would love to shoot while falling. That's the variable. That let me just see if I can send you the thing right here. Yes, I got the images right here. Let me send it to you on Discord. I have them highlighted with the options I think that that I need to modify. Okay, right here. Yeah, I went over the whole thing and it was super tough to find out. That's my best guess. So yeah, we got. Also, I played with the animation blueprint like left and right and changed like everything, and I was like, damn it, this is not. I was like, I don't wanna waste too much time. I spent like 4 hours today, maybe two and maybe three yesterday, maybe four. I've spent about 7 to 8 hours just trying to find it, and yep, that's when you probably need to take it easy and ask for help and be like, hey. I love these rocks. Super cool stuff. Let's see if this runs with the whole map opened and all PCG loaded. Let's burn this PC. It's crazy how good PCG works with Unreal Engine 5.5.1. They did something to PCG because it's just loading way faster. Definitely they did something to PCG. Also, it might be the project settings from the template, which are a little bit optimized. That's why it might be easier to load this bunch of trees. And I know there are settings I need to change on each specific static mesh to make the whole procedural content generation much faster, much easier on the PC. Is the shooting mode done with an animation overlay? There are animation notifies. Let me go over my notes here. There are animation notifies on each animation, and there's one thing that is called a player interaction data. It's a variable that contains data about player interaction and includes animation and montage play data, and the conditions that are checked before each interaction. So I actually got to the part where I saw the is falling, not boolean. I saw it and I was like, I found it. But I disabled it and the character was not able to jump or do anything. I was like, no. But I was close. I know it's close. I was very close to finding the thing. Because when it's falling, and also the character is set up in a very interesting way because it kind of combines the upper body animations. They're separated to the rest. It's it's more complex. It's reminds me of um, reminds me a little bit of the, how do you call this, Paragon, the Paragon characters, how they are set up. It is like crazy animation graph, and it has a lot of stands, different like modes where you can like enter. And yeah, it is. I will rather just ask the developer, because it's definitely such a mess. It's like, I really like, I tried everything, and I really couldn't. Yeah, my cave. I love my cave. Nice. These guys right here. These are so nice. Okay, everything is loaded. Everything is loaded. This is just gonna explode. I'm gonna explode my PC right now. Let's try it. Let's see. It's gonna take some time. It's playing montages on an upper body default slot, probably. Yes, you're totally on point. It has a specific slot for the shoot animations, and it does not want to play whenever I'm falling. Uh-huh. Exactly. And also, it does not let me fight, use any kind of like left or right arm animations while swimming or while in the air. It is definitely it is it is so complex, like how they set it up, which is probably a super smart way to do it. Like, I'm not saying like, these guys definitely know what they're doing. It's just that it's not straightforward at all. It's like very very hidden. But I know, like, I know that with time I should be able to understand how this is set up. Yeah, I would love that, like jumping and being able to hit, like, or shoot. That'll be just like some Halo or some Doom vibes. Just like walking around and jumping and building stuff, and yeah, that's crazy. Like making a shooter game out of this template. It is just like, this template is, it's perfect. Like, it is the perfect template just to make a big environment, and like you have fishing and you have stuff like that. You can equip items. You can really like do a lot of stuff with this. I'm super happy with this. Oops, where is it? I also need to change the energy thing. I did it already, but I needed to basically re-import the template, because I messed it up. So I kind of started from the beginning. But now I got the actual sprint velocity fixed. Now I can actually walk and run, which is super nice. Oh no. I need to make myself a very nice list of things that I do want to change, so in case I break it again, I can really modify it fast. Because I'm gonna break this again many times. This is such a cool area. Really like this. That's funny. Getting this message. I'm definitely need to take it out. But yeah, Ninja, I really, I don't wanna, I don't want you spending too much time like looking at this, because at the trying to fix this, because it's really, it's like a rabbit hole. It's I rather just, oh, we have an upper area here. Wow, that's some very cool stuff. This is those. Oh, there you go. Crashed. It's like, oh, it looks nice. Well, oops. Just got the project crashed because we had the PCG loaded and all the map loaded, and these are not Cinti polygon assets. These are actually high poly nanite with very beautiful textures. So yeah. Let's see. Let's do a restore. And it really takes some time to compile the blueprints before opening the project. That's kind of interesting. Nice. Yeah, I also think that's the thing. The falling boolean. I really want to see if I can find it again. Let me double check. It's inside the character base. Uh-huh. It's a variable inside the character base somewhere, and it was called a try use item. No, it was called try main interaction, I guess it was called. I'll try to find it, because I really feel like that's where the problem is. Well, that's what I thought 8 hours ago, maybe more. I was like, oh, I think I found it. No, I think I found it. Oh, that's funny. Okay. No. Taking some time to load the project. Oops, got it crashed. Oh wow, it's taking some time to open. Oops. Yeah, I really wanna add some foliage. That would be super nice. Oh. Okay, it's opening. At least we know we can add 99 skeletons for now. And I know we can optimize that way better. And if I really break this map into like small chunks, I think it's gonna be super sweet. Okay, now it's loading the level instances. Which is pretty fast. Yeah, the PCG, it was working very good before I started adding a lot of level instances. Yeah, definitely I'm going too crazy with this. Need to make it easier for the PC. Yeah, like I think just the desert itself, I think it's gonna run super nicely. I think I'm gonna make a copy of this level and delete everything but the desert. And make it its own level. I think it's gonna be super efficient. Okay, nice, we got it loaded. Okay. Okay, let me push this here. Nice. Okay, we have texture streaming pool issues. Gonna give it a second. Oh, I have some very good crystals for this. Yeah, I have some very cool crystals I want to use here. Some very cool mining stuff. Nice. Well, right now I'm just wanna get some foliage. Which I should have somewhere here. This is the foliage I want to use. And okay, let's give it a second. Control B. And here I know I have the foliage variant. Okay. Is this? Nope. There must be a better way. Okay, there you go. These are the ones I want. Yep. Those are the ones I'm missing. Foliage. There you go. Okay, nice. Now I need to select the foliage from these 1,000 assets I have here. Maybe if I go cactus. These are the ones. And I'm missing this kind of those two, which are succulents. There you go. One more, which this is like this one. It's called Desert Rock Garden Aloe. Nice. Super sweet. and I want to do it single, not all selected, cycle through selected, so I can paint little plants on static meshes as well. Oh, I cannot paint on top of level instances. Oh, that's new. Oh, I need to go inside the level instance to do that. Makes sense. Okay. Sorry, I was not reading. Does the shooting or melee keybind have an is falling boolean attached to a branch? We can add way more than that. Nice. The shooting, the thing is that as long as I understand, there is a action bar, because this weapon I'm trying to use, the grenade launcher, it is an item that you can equip to the action bar. So I think what is triggering the action is the action bar. So it makes it a little bit more complex. It's just not a keybind that you can press. So that's the thing I actually couldn't find. I would really like to see if these abilities, or these things that you can put on your action bar, have this boolean attached to them. That's a great question. That's a great question. Let's see. I want the scale to be bigger here. Where's the scale? Scaling uniform. Yeah, but can I make them? I think I think I need to go one by one to get the scale of each one. So there you go. Scale 2 to 3. Let me see. Is it going to be super small? Yep, and I don't want it to follow the normal, and I would like it to be vertical. So let's select all of them, and I would like to align to normal. No, they're always going to be vertical no matter what. That's nice. And there's this other option, average normal, which is gonna find an in between the vertical and the normal, which I think it kind of works. I like this, and it offsets it. I mean, makes it go into the ground a little. That's kind of cool. Okay, now I do feel that I need to make them bigger, because this looks like very cool. I can make this PCG low poly cactuses bigger, but kind of feel like probably need to make this bigger. Yep, don't really wanna. Yeah, it's gonna be a little difficult to see far away. But also I don't want to make them too big. Let's see, what's a good scale for this? Let's see, 10 to 5 to 10. Did I get this? Okay. Let's make them. Nice. It's going through selected. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let me just go 5, 10, 5 to 10. So we can make them a little bit bigger and we don't need to actually paint 10,000 little cactuses, and we can have less, make it a little bit more stylized. And I know there are very big cactuses out there, so it goes well. Okay, 5, 10. Okay, nice. I wanna see. That's a little bit too big, but you know, I can feel the environment much faster now. And these are so beautiful, like, wow, I really like this. Foliage, so nice. I cannot paint on the, oops. Ah, it doesn't go through. Oh, that's good. It doesn't go through the level instance. I need to access the level instance and then I can paint foliage on it. Very beautiful contrast. We have some nice oranges and green. I wanna make it in little patches. We can also make it into a PCG graph, which I already have set up. Just need to change the static meshes. But there's something about hand painting this that just makes it super nice. Just one big cactus coming out from there, that's funny. When you're painting foliage, I always like to, when I'm painting foliage, I like to choose just a few. That doesn't feel that nice. Just a few types and types of foliage that really are distinct from each other, because we have a lot of variations of the same cactus, which really does not give me enough visual, you know, it does not change too much. Oh, this is gonna look nice with a lot of vegetation, and vegetation growing right next to the poor skeleton. Do I have static mesh? Yeah, it's not painting on top of static meshes. Oh, because the collisions, yeah, they need to have static collision something. Forgot this setting. Oh, no. Why is it coming so big? It's not supposed to. And also I like to put foliage in little patches like usual nature goes. Cool, yay! Just testing a little bit. Oh, maybe not there because we have two landscapes here and it gets confused. where should it land, because yeah, I did something very interesting for that cave thing. Okay. A little bit along the edges. Those two are too close. The cool thing about this is that if I paint foliage on top of a static mesh or a landscape, then I can move that landscape, edit that landscape, and it's gonna just save that point where I painted the foliage, and it's gonna just keep it there and move it like kinda, it's gonna follow it even though I modified the landscape. Super cool. Also on static meshes I can move them and it's gonna keep that little thing there. Gonna be super nice. That's huge. Maybe not in there. Okay, well, definitely can add way more stuff in a better, more interesting way. Yep. Oh, it does go through, okay. Cool. Nice. Okay, we got something going on. Wanna go to yeah, I think that's it. Let me just walk around a little bit and yep. Nice, getting this desert going way faster, way easier. Yeah, just with these level instances from Project Titan you can build so much stuff, like seriously super cool. Okay, we have like whoa, a lot of blueprints that I need to disable. Awesome. Alright, let's try it out. Oops, this camera is totally off. Need to just push it somewhere in a better position. Oops. yeah, that's gonna just walk around a little bit and probably um, that's gonna be today's stream because I need to go rest tomorrow. I got some important day at the office. 3 days left for me, and I need to finish some stuff by Friday. Hopefully by tomorrow. Just to finish the year with everything in order. Ding, 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 ding. Oops. Oh yeah, it's cause the carnival. Yeah, whenever I enter that area, it takes a while for it to load. It's a very dense area. Need to really optimize that. Oh, foliage is looking great. I think the size is perfect. Not too small, not too big. It's very big, but it's kind of nice to look at. To really appreciate the details on the foliage. Not too noisy. It's like, no. Okay, it is too big. It is a little bit too big. That little thing. I like the world partition. It's working. It's working nice. Like I have the landscape to be set on. What's the word? Well, the landscape is not gonna get hidden in the distance, but the other meshes do get hidden, so it kind of works. Right there in the distance, like some things I don't want to hide. I need to find like some kind of like proxy. I know there's an option for this, like a very low poly version of some assets to always stay visible, because this is going to just appear abruptly, like right in front. I need to set those LODs, but this looks super cool from the player perspective. Wow. Very nice rocks. Those one not so nice. I mean, they're cool, but definitely wanna see how they look with the other material. Love those statues. These statues are very cool. Very cool. Looks like some kind of like Pokemon or something. I like the running speed. It's like not so fast, not so slow. I would like to have more stamina. I mean, I don't want to get tired so easily. I don't want the character to get tired so fast. These are more like a little bit bigger than the character size, but kind of cool. Oh, super bright sky, like super bright, unsaturated. Oh, I need to work on this road. It is kind of like messy. Yeah, this town is gonna look super nice. It's funny, it's so laggy they fall down in like slow motion. It's like, no! It's nice that I can like move slow whenever I need, but like I can like run fast. This is probably like, yeah, too fast for like game purposes, but just for like going around, it's gonna be nice. I do want to have mounts, so I don't need to do like have the character like run so fast around. This is nice. This is a very cool template. It will be super cool to have like, you know, the more enemies you kill, the faster you run, and the more you can jump. Something like that, like a multiplier kind of effect. That's nice. Next thing I want to figure out is the grass. I want to have like little dried grass. That'll be super cool. I haven't learned much about that yet. And make the character be able to step on it. That'll be super cool. Definitely gonna fix some of those UVs. Oh, make it look nice. Oh, get those clouds to look nice. But yeah, pretty happy with today's progress. Got the desert to look a little bit nicer. And got the character to do some stuff. Yay! Definitely need to take a new picture and make a new thumbnail because this is changing. I'm super excited about the snow area. I got so many props, so many assets for the snow area. This is gonna be super cool, like probably the coolest area. I have a lot of stuff for here. Then I'm gonna have the grasslands here. I also have a very nice VFX for ash just falling from the sky. I mean, because Project Titan has a volcanic area, so this volcanic area is gonna be amazing. The tropical area, we also got a bunch of assets for the tropical area. Basically everything's solved. We have this kind of like magic forest. Yeah, really, it's gonna look very nice. Very nice. And I have a lot of the Cinti polygon assets that I'm going to use as blockout kind of thing, which are already kind of placed, and I'm gonna be changing those with the Project Titan assets to see what can I come up with. But yeah, breaking this into little levels is gonna be the smartest, I guess. The Arctic area, then another load screen for the desert area, another load screen for maybe the grasslands, swamp area, magic forest, and there's like a pink forest as well. We have like four biomes there, and the village, the starting village. Yeah, this is kind of like, maybe we can break that into another loading screen, and then the tropical area and the volcanic area into another loading screen. So it's gonna be divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 areas, I guess. That's gonna be much better. But yeah, very, very cool. It's gonna be very, very nice. Yeah, I'm happy I'm actually finding some time for this project. I still have the original map saved, right? So that's it's always nice to have a backup. The original low poly Cinti map saved. But really, since I found this template, I think it's the it's a great way to use it. Alright, that's going to be it for today. Thank you so much for watching.